In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the water filter on a Frigidaire refrigerator. This is a gallery, but this should be similar for other refrigerators. And you're going to know that you need to replace it if your light comes on here saying replace water filter. But in general, they recommend every 6 months. So to replace it, up underneath here, you can see there's a spot. You can get your fingers up under here and pull straight towards you. And as long as you get off of that hook, you're good. And your filter's right here. Make sure you have the same one to replace it with, which I do. And to remove it, you're gonna push and pull the filter right out. You might have a tiny bit of water that comes out, but it's easy as that. And then the new filter, it luckily has this kind of keyway right here. It'll only go in one way, so it'll always go in correctly. Make sure you take off all this packaging here and just line it up like that and push it and it'll lock into place. You just push this back up, push it closed, you're all set. And now with the new one in, they tell you to run the water for about 4 minutes to prime the filter. And as you see, the filter reset went away automatically. And we're just gonna run this for about 4 minutes. You're probably gonna get some air coming out. The water might look a little cloudy, although this looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna do about 10 glasses probably. Once you're done priming the new filter, you're all set. But they do recommend at around the same time to replace this air filter back here. So to take this cover off, you kind of push down or pull up, and there's these little clips, so just get a good hold on this. Don't push too hard, but just go down slightly and pull it out like this. You can see these clips right here. You basically just want to bend those just a little bit. But this is your air filter. So in the middle, there's this little clip here. Kind of squeeze that together while you pull this out. Like that. And you would take your new filter, put it in. I'm actually not replacing mine. And then to reinstall the cover, you just line it up, kind of wiggle it around, and find those clips. They sit in there, make sure it's locked in. And as it turns out, there are actually 2 more air filters, one in each of these drawers. I'll show you on this one. You just pull the drawer out and then you lift up, pull out like this. And right back here, this is an antioxidant filter. So you just grab it like this, and this is all it is. Just pull out like this. They're a little brittle. And there's tabs on each end, so try and pull from there to unlock it. If you're putting a new one in, don't worry about ripping that, but I'm not replacing this right now. It goes in just like that. Line it up, push it in. This one's kind of breaking apart. There we go. And then you just pop it back in the way you took it out. Line up these tabs like that. And you can reinstall the drawer just at an angle and push it closed. And I'm not gonna replace it because, I don't know, I've never had air filters in my fridge before, so I'll just let it go for a little while longer. And to reset this right here, air filters, you just press and hold that for 3 seconds and you'll be good. So if you need to replace the water filter or the air filter, hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.